Best Sport Motorcycles 2025, Harley Davidson CVO Road Glide ST. In a bold move to redefine the luxury sport motorcycle segment, Harley Davidson has unveiled the highly anticipated 2025 CVO Road Glide ST, combining iconic Harley Davidson heritage with cutting-edge technology and unparalleled comfort. The CVO Road Glide ST promises to set a new standard for riders seeking the ultimate in touring and performance. Design and engineering mastery. The Harley Davidson CVO Road Glide ST exudes sophistication with its distinctive shark nose fairing and aggressive styling. Designed for long-distance touring, the CVO Road Glide ST features a robust chassis and is powered by Harley Davidson's legendary Milwaukee 8128V twin engine, delivering exceptional power and torque. Its advanced suspension system, including electronically adjustable rear shocks, ensures a smooth and controlled ride over varying road conditions, making it ideal for both highway cruising and spirited cornering. Technological advancements. Setting a benchmark in motorcycle technology, the CVO Road Glide ST is equipped with a comprehensive suite of electronic features. Riders can enjoy customizable ride modes, traction control, and cornering ABS, providing optimal performance and safety in diverse riding scenarios. A full-color touchscreen infotainment system with navigation capabilities keeps riders connected and informed, enhancing the touring experience with intuitive controls and Bluetooth connectivity for smartphones and helmets. Luxury and comfort. Harley Davidson has spared no effort in ensuring rider and passenger comfort on the CVO Road Glide ST. The motorcycle boasts a plush, ergonomic seat with heating and cooling options, complemented by adjustable passenger footboards and integrated backrests for unparalleled comfort during long journeys. Aerodynamic enhancements and wind-deflecting fairings minimize rider fatigue and enhance stability at high speeds, making the CVO Road Glide ST a true companion for extended touring adventures. Market impact and availability. Anticipation for the Harley Davidson CVO Road Glide ST is immense among motorcycle enthusiasts and touring aficionados worldwide. Scheduled for release in select markets in 2025, the CVO Road Glide ST is positioned as Harley Davidson's flagship model in the luxury touring segment, appealing to riders who demand uncompromising performance, style, and comfort in their motorcycles. Conclusion. As Harley Davidson continues to innovate and push boundaries in motorcycle design and technology, the 2025 CVO Road Glide ST stands as a testament to the brand's commitment to excellence. With its combination of iconic design, state-of-the-art features, and unparalleled comfort, the CVO Road Glide ST redefines luxury and performance in the sport motorcycle market, offering riders an unmatched touring experience on two wheels. Whether cruising cross-country highways or exploring scenic routes, the CVO Road Glide ST invites riders to embark on journeys filled with luxury, power, and endless adventure.